Let us know, let us know, let us know. Let us know, let us know, let us know. This looks so beautiful. Our first winter snowstorms of 2017. Last year it snowed in January. This year we had to wait all the way to February 9th, 2017 for the snow to come down. Angelique has the day off. She's happy. And we're happy. Later on we're going to come out and play. But now I wanted to take a little video before the children come down and mess the snow. Now it's perfect. The snow will continue into the afternoon, and they're expecting 9 inches. Look how beautiful. Perfect to make a snowball. Let us know, let us know, let us know. Let us know, let us know, let us know.